Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of controlling who can see what others post on your Facebook profile using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your privacy and manage your profile visibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. This will open the Settings menu. Step 5. Click on Privacy from the left-hand side. Step 6. Click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Next to Who can see what others post on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Friends from the options available. Step 9. Click Done to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can now ensure that only your friends can see what others post on your Facebook profile. This feature allows you to have better control over your privacy settings and who can view your profile content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy a safer and more personalized Facebook experience using your PC.